Alright guys, so by the time you guys are watching this video, the new hoodies are going to be live on the website right now. These are the hoodies right here. We have a brown kind of saddle color with the embroidered border supply in the middle, as well as a nice green. It's actually the same color as the older hoodie that I dropped. So yeah guys, I'm actually giving away a brand new exhaust, the same exact exhaust that's on the STI right now. So every order placed is going to be automatically entered to win that exhaust. So if you guys want a new exhaust, be sure to cop something from the new merch. The link will be down in the description below. With that being said, let's continue to today's video and good luck on the giveaway. I feel like this car could definitely use some more loud. It sounds pretty good as is with this setup right here, but with me personally, I think it would be much better with a little bit more loud. What's up guys? So this is my 2020 STI. Right now currently installed on the car, we have a Grimmspeed catted divorced downpipe. To the back we have an MBRP 3-inch catback. We've got the quad tips right here. Like you guys just heard, it sounds good. You know, it has a really nice tone to it. It has some pops as well with the tune. I think this car should be a little bit more loud, just to kind of like match its aggressiveness, if that makes sense. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm super excited. We have a brand new catback exhaust for the STI to put on today. All right guys, I hope I don't piss anybody off over here, but we're gonna get a little bit of revs to show you guys what this exhaust sounds like before we literally rip it off of the car. We'll get a last hear of this exhaust. Alright, that'll be it for the MBRP. Let's go ahead and head home and put the new one on. I've seen the comments down in the comments below. You guys have been wanting a single exit exhaust for the STI. Although it is not a Tomei, Carven was nice enough to send their single exit catback for the STI. Now one thing I noticed about this one right here is I'm pretty sure it's going to be louder than this setup. MBRP on the STI right now actually has a resonator, and I believe this one right here, from what I saw, has no resonator whatsoever. So I'm honestly so freaking hyped to throw this exhaust on the STI. Massive shout out to Carven Exhaust for sending out their single exit. All their socials are right here. And as you guys saw, every single order up until Christmas of the new hoodies that we dropped is gonna be automatically entered into winning this exact exhaust setup right here. Good luck to all you guys who entered into the giveaway. And yeah, let's just go and throw this on the STI because I'm honestly so freaking excited to do this. And I want you guys to hear it too, so let's get it. And if you guys are wondering, boom, it's also 3-inch as well. As you guys can see, this is compatible 2015 to 2020 WRXs and STIs. There is 2 options. I actually opted for the black ceramic coat tip. Good old exhaust hangers. Gotta love these. These are always a pain to take off. If you guys know, you know. Why are these hangers curved? Why? Oh my gosh, bro. Oh, you. I wish I bought that freaking hanger removal tool from Amazon. Oh my gosh, bro. Alright. Now I'm pissed. Do not make this a 5-hour install. Come on. Dude, come on. Come on. Oh, the exhaust is on my stomach. Oh gosh. I'm literally stuck. Dude, I can't get out. Yo. Oh gosh, finally. Jeez, dude. I'm really stuck. Alright guys, old Catback is off. It's literally like a muffler delete pretty much. We have no mufflers. It's a full 3-inch, and then we just have this huge resonator in the middle. Here's the two exhausts right next to each other. So obviously we have the old one right here versus the Carven one right here. Nice little single exit. And then I noticed right here, I thought it was a resonator at first, but it's just like a flex pipe. I looked in it and it was just like literally just a flex pipe. So I don't think this has any effect on the sound whatsoever. It's just, I think, just for flexibility. Come to the back, it's just a small muffler. I don't think that muffler is gonna do much. I'm hoping it doesn't, so it's loud. But yeah, that's enough talking. Let's go ahead and throw on the new single exit Carven exhaust onto the STI. Boom, that's how it looks. Nice little single exit. Honestly, you cannot go wrong with the single exit on the WRX or STI. I think the aggressiveness is perfect. It's not sticking out too much, and it's also not sinking in too much as well. I think it's just right how it sits right now. Heck yeah, guys, it looks so much better with the single exit. Since it's a single exit, Carven actually supplied this little like toe strap to put on the right side. Since we don't have something on this side, we might as well just put this on just for fun. I believe there's already a hole, oh yeah, right here. So they want you to use this hole right here that's already in the car. Super straightforward, just a nut and bolt. Toe strap, I think that's what you call it, right? Toe strap, officially installed, super easy. Guys, I'm digging the look. I'm digging the look of the single exit with that little strap. I like it so much. Heck yeah. Now is the time to start it up. The moment we've all been waiting for, to hear this thing finally. It should be an official cold start because the last time I started the STI was like 5-6 hours ago. So cold start with a new Carven exhaust. Let's get it. Dude, it sounds way different than the MBRP. I love it. It's like more, it's way raspier, obviously, given it doesn't have a resonator. But dude, the tone is so different. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm hyped, dude. This thing sounds so freaking sick. You guys hear that? First impressions, guys. I love this thing. You can tell raspiness is not for everybody. I mean, for me, too much rasp is obviously too much, but like with a little bit of rasp in that deep tone, I love that. I'm trying to beat sunlight right now. It's getting dark really quick, and I'm trying to get to the spot, you know, the usual spot we do all our exhaust clips. We're trying to beat sunlight here, but we should make it. What's a Chris BRGS exhaust video without showing up at the good old spot? All the exhaust videos from all the cars we've done. So you guys know we gotta bring the STI here. Before it gets dark, it's time to hear this thing revving. I know you guys heard the startup, but since we're in the middle of nowhere, we gotta get crazy out here. Hear the turbo on camera, but dude, this install, honestly a huge success. I love this exhaust so much. It's definitely louder than the previous one, which was honestly my goal with this exhaust system. And yeah guys, like I said in the beginning of the video, we are giving away this exact exhaust system, brand new of course, not the one that's on the car, to one lucky order on board supply that purchases one of the new hoodies that we just dropped. Up until Christmas, December 25th, it's gonna be live. It'll pretty much be my Christmas present to whoever that is. If you guys need an exhaust for your STI or your WRX, be sure to enter on the website, and then you'll potentially have your car sounding just like mine. Yo, so that's pretty much gonna do it for today's video. If you guys reached this far in the video, thank you so freaking much. Honestly, it means the freaking world. If you made it this far, whatever you comment, be sure to include, let's do like the speaker emoji. I'll go ahead and put it on the screen right here. Comment that down below if you guys have reached this far. But yeah, today is Sunday. I have to post this video in about 2 hours. So if you guys are watching this the same day I post it, this is literally like 2 hours before. But yeah, literally tomorrow I'm dropping the STI off for the new wrap. So I did post it up on my Instagram. You know, I'm getting this car wrapped, and I've told you guys a little bit on here. But yeah, literally tomorrow on Monday, this car is getting dropped off for its new color. And honestly, I'm still in between two colors. So I don't know, such a hard choice. But yeah, this car is getting wrapped this week, and maybe it'll be done by Christmas, who knows. Just want to let you guys know that before I ended off today's video. Also, while I was editing this video, I saw this quote on Instagram I want to share with you guys. This one hit, I just had to post it on my story as well. It says, the grass will always look greener on the other side until you start watering the side you're on. That's crazy, man. That freaking hit when I read that. Yeah, that quote's crazy. That just like left me in like, I always love sharing all that like inspirational quote stuff to you all at the end of the videos. But yeah, once again, massive shout out to Carven exhaust for the new system on the STI. Been driving it for about a day. I absolutely love this exhaust, and good luck to the giveaway to all you who enter on the website. And yeah guys, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and leave you guys for the day. I love you all. Thank you all once again, and I will catch you all in the next one. Peace. As you can see, we're doing a little behind the scenes of, as you can see, we're doing, oh gosh, here we go again. As you can see, oh my gosh, bruh. As you can see, behind the scenes, a little photo shoot for site. These are the new hoodies right here. We have a kind of brown color.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my god. So this job is kind of special. I'm running a giveaway. So this job is pretty special. With this new job right here, I'm actually gonna be. Wait, what am I talking about, bruh? I'm like mixing all my words. Placed with this new drop is actually gonna be entered into a giveaway on this. I'm gonna be running the giveaway for. I'm gonna be. Fuck. Bro, so bad.